In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook tasks with Google Tasks using Zapier, which is a great tool for automation and making your workflow seamless. So let's dive right into it and set up this integration step by step. First, you'll want to go to Zapier's homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Now, Zapier is an amazing platform that helps you automate repetitive tasks between apps without coding or relying on developers to build the integration. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a big Create button. Click on it to start a new Zap. Zaps are essentially the automated workflows you set up in Zapier. They work by listening to triggers and then performing actions. Next, you'll be directing your attention to the option labeled Zaps. Click this to begin configuring your automation. Afterwards, you'll want to click on Trigger to identify the starting event that will prompt this workflow. In this instance, we're going to first focus on Google Tasks. Type Google Tasks into the search bar and select it from the drop-down menu. This will allow Zapier to recognize and access your Google Tasks. Once you've selected Google Tasks, go ahead and click on it. Now it's time to configure the action of this Zap. Look for the section labeled Action and give it a click. Now we're getting to the part where Outlook comes into play, so type Outlook into the search bar. Just like before, you'll select it from the drop-down and click on Microsoft Outlook to connect it as well. This step sets up the action where a task from Google will sync to Outlook. After setting the parameters for both apps, go back and click Google Tasks once more because here is where we configure the trigger event. This is the activity in Google Tasks that will signal Outlook to perform the action. At this point, you'll be required to sign into your Google account. It's important to ensure you're connected to the correct account as this keeps things organized. After connecting your Google account, it's always a good idea to click Test to ensure everything functions as expected. Confirm all the configurations, and once you're satisfied, click on Microsoft Outlook again to define the action event that happens once the trigger from Google Tasks is detected. Now sign into your Outlook account, making sure again that you're connected properly, then perform another test. You want to double check that the integration is working seamlessly between both apps, so nothing gets lost in translation. Finally, when you see that everything's running smoothly, conclude the process by clicking on Publish. This means your Zap is now live and your default tasks from Google should seamlessly sync over to Outlook. And there you have it, you've successfully set up an automated system to sync your Outlook tasks with Google Tasks using Zapier. This integration will save you time and keep all your tasks streamlined across platforms. Thanks for watching and happy automating.